What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are now doing modifications to the oven. Austin has got the shop cleared out so we can go ahead and get things going. We definitely appreciate him, and big shout outs to him. One day we're gonna get him getting a YouTube channel together so you guys can see him building engines like this and working on some nice race cars like that over there. Anyway, right now we're going to be drilling apart our old extension pieces. We're going to use those pieces to put a bottom in the oven. We never had a floor in the oven. We're going to go ahead and do that. We're also going to put some skin or metal on the outer door. That'll help hold it straight and hopefully help keep it straight and help it seal up a little better. And I believe we got enough to put some skin on one of the sides as well. It will start to look a little bit better. We are going to relocate our panel as well. That way our control panel is not in the back. And we're gonna do a little bit different ducting for our heating. We're gonna show you that, but right now we're gonna throw you on time lapse because we're just drilling these rivets out and getting ready to put the floor on this oven. So let's get it. Yeah. So Jeremy went ahead and got all the panels detached. We're gonna keep the frames because Austin is probably going to use them. One of the biggest mods that we're gonna do, it's not really a big mod, it's more of an upgrade, is we're gonna take one of these sets of skins and we're gonna put it on the door here. So we're gonna put the insulation down and then we're gonna go ahead and rivet the skins to the door. First we have to, Jeremy already went ahead and removed the handles. So we'll go ahead and get that on there, get it all buttoned up, get the handles put back on, and then we're gonna have a door that's not gonna be flimsy and hopefully should make it much easier to seal. I also think we have an L-bar, a piece of L-bar that I actually want to weld across here that will keep it square. And I think if we go ahead and do that, it will add a lot of rigidity to the oven and actually help our oven to seal better. We are gonna get a tadpole gasket from Amazon. We'll make sure that there's a link down there below. Also, all of these links that we have for products we use are down below, and you can catch them in the This Business of Powder Coating Facebook page that we have. We're up to over 700 members in that private group. It's really taken off, and it's a lot of coders helping other coders to grow their business. So it's a fun and exciting thing. We're gonna go ahead and get this door set up, and then we're gonna start getting some more mods done. We need to get the floor on the oven, so we finally have an oven with a floor. Let's do this. Yeah. panel done, as you guys just saw in that little time lapse. Now we've actually got the oven on what was its back. This is where the heat's coming in. And we're gonna go ahead and finally put a bottom on this oven. So we're gonna take one of those pieces, rivet it to the bottom, and then go ahead and flip it down. We will have enough steel to put skin on one more wall, and that's gonna be this wall, because the door attaches with the hinges on this wall, so it will make it much more sturdy. We are actually gonna put the outlet panel on this wall, so, well, I think. But yeah, we're gonna get it figured out. Anyways, watch us. We're gonna go ahead and put a bottom on the oven, finally. Doing oven upgrades. Yeah. Okay, so we got the oven put together. We got the skin on the outside of the door. We got the skin on the outside right here. And we do have the floor in it. So it is definitely looking like a better oven for sure. Now there are a few things we're still gonna do. We are gonna get a hole saw, and we have some round bar that we're gonna cut a hole saw, or we're gonna cut holes in the sides, put the bar through it, and then go ahead and weld it into place. That way we can hang wheels and other things on it. There's some reinforcements on the front, at the top and at the bottom we wanna do, so it reinforces it and so it will seal better. The door will seal better on it. So those are some things that we're going to get on over the next couple of days. Tomorrow we are going to come in here and we're going to put the heat caulking, the heat block caulking in there, the really expensive good stuff, which is strange. This stuff was twice as expensive in Denver as it is here. In Denver, 25 bucks a tube. Here, like $12 a tube. So, yeah, there you go. We're super excited that we got a lot of things going on. The oven's looking great. And we're gonna go ahead and catch you tomorrow. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I think we're gonna try and do some more vlogging type of videos now that we're out here and we're in Missouri and doing other things besides just powder coating, and we want to upload some more content, so get a little dust off there. So we'll do some vlog series and kind of see how you guys like it, and we'll go ahead and go from there. If you guys like it, cool. If you guys don't, then we can focus just on powder coating and the powder coating business. But I figured, you know, all of our life is going on, and it's not just about the business. So let's see if we go ahead and do a nice cold startup this morning, and you guys can hear a a little bit of the rumble of the WRX. Of course, this is just a muffler delete, pretty much stock. We do have a little bit of a tune on it and cold air intake, but of course that doesn't really do anything on the startup. So let's go ahead and jump in and get this thing started up. Before the end of winter here, we are definitely going to make sure we get a good exhaust on it. Some race cat, so it's kind of a bit more free flowing and just definitely sounds a lot better. I also believe there's quite a few more mods we're going to be going through, and of course I have a crazy design for the wheels that we're going to be doing this winter. They are the wheels that are currently on there. The car is going to be a different color soon too. It's going to be a little while. The wheels will probably be done before the car, but soon we are going to be working on the stock wheels. So I want to have the stock wheels not exactly stock. I want them to look nice, but they're going to be the winter wheels. So we're not going to do a lot of work on them, but I would like to, before I get new winter tires on them, I definitely would like to go ahead and powder coat them up. And then once they're on the car, then we'll have these off and we'll fix them up. My little bit of road rash, I bought them with no road rash on them, but a little bit of road rash. I don't know exactly how this will work, but there is a little bit of road rash on them from some things that I did. We're gonna get all that touched up. We're gonna make a video showing you guys how to be able to touch it up, although there are some out there. We're gonna show ours and let you guys see how we do. Right now we are going to Quincy, Illinois. I have to fill up this tank. Have to fill it up and get some, what is it? It's an argon, make sure it's welding gas. So it's gonna be an argon, I think it's argon and air mixture or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna be doing that because we've got to weld up some pieces on the oven today just to make it a little bit stronger. Plus we want to put a bar or two in there that we can hang stuff on. That is something that we hadn't done previously. Although the roof of the oven was a bit stronger, when we made the cart, we had to take some of those supports out because the cart wouldn't fit in. So we cut some of those supports out, which was fine, but now if we want to hang stuff from the ceiling, it'll make the whole oven collapse in, and we don't want that to happen. So we're going to reinforce the front door area, giving it more room and area to seal, and we are also going to make it a lot stronger. And then again, we're going to put a bar or two in there so we can go ahead and hang stuff in there, and the bar is going to be welded in there and really strong and in place. There are some removable ones I've been looking at, and we might get those for the lower sections of the oven so we can hang some stuff kind of high and kind of low, but we'll go down that venture when the time comes. So we're going to go ahead and head on over to Quincy. Let's get this day going. Okay, we're here. We made it. S.J. Smith Welding Supply. The Mississippi River is right behind me, behind that building. You can actually see some lines of the trees and stuff. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead, get this tank filled. So what we've got going on right now is we cut some angle iron. We're going to tack weld it up here in these edges and down at the bottom. So we got a nice flush flat piece that we can go ahead and we can put our little tadpole around it. It's also going to give us rigidity here on the actual oven. As you can tell, it is a little wobbly, but this is going to make it a lot more rigid. Plus the fact that we have the bottom in it, that is going to help a lot as well. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and get the welder set up and go ahead and start getting these pieces welded in. We are going to hang this in the center. We probably will put a couple, but for one, we're going to put a piece here in the center, and we're going to use this to hang stuff off of. So we're going to weld it, and then we'll weld it on the edges And then we're gonna go ahead and use that to hang pieces off of. We might even put a couple of more in there. We'll have a little bit of extra, so if we make a little bracket and put it here and a little bracket and put it there, we could literally hang a piece that we can put parts on and just remove that. So there's a couple of different things we're gonna do, but we do wanna be able to hang some parts from the roof. And right now, this is just not going to hold up with what we need to. It's really close to it, but that extra piece in there will give us hook space and it will give us more rigidity in the roof. So we're gonna go ahead and throw you on time lapse and jump to that.